Oh, you just seen that? Jail, come on. You got it.
If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Davo coming to y'all boys with another YouTube video, man. I just hit 60K, so make sure that y'all keep hitting that subscribe button. Shorty, road to 100K. Today we doing HELLCAT Jailbreak versus Demon, shorty. That ain't the 170, that's the 18, that's the original joint. That's that big dog, folks. A lot of motherfuckers ain't got demons, folks. They only could afford track, scats, and kitties, man. Niggas ain't living like that. Folks don't even paying attention. He finna crash that Mustang, boy. That 5.0 joint, he tripping out. Oh, I got all these rock chips, shorty. Hey, that's that scat Jeep, shorty. Look at that motherfucker, boy. Tracky. This motherfucker sounds so crazy, gang. This whine sound overly healthy, shorty. They tweaking. I'm trying to become a one-hand bandit, shorty. I'm still practicing, gang. Bro, this car's pissing me off, folks. Like, pick a fucking side, gang. They say, Davo, you gotta pop out to one of these, shorty. Shit. Ooh, that's that Cadillac, I think, shorty. Hey, that boy Summer Walker say that ain't the regular joint, folks. Hey, hey, shorty, this ain't the regular one, folks. This bitch, folks, I'm knowing this bitch feel overly beefy cutting up. That joint just at least hit like 170, gang. That joint look brand new off the lot. My bro. What up, bro? Got the trackie. Yeah, y'all, but I don't even know if this is a real track or not, but it looked like it. Got the trackie. Y'all already seen this joint featured on the channel, folks. And we got this demon motherfucker. Big bro pulled out the demon. Oh, bro, fuck what that nigga Mo talking about. Big bro pulled out the demon. Brody just cashed out on the demon. How you feeling?
I'm coming, man.
Oh, folks, dang.
Do this shit.
Woo. But nah, though, y'all. Like, it's crazy how, bro, this car is an 18, bro. My car is a 23. And this joint look the exact same in the inside, damn near. They come in the exact same, bro. They got the seat belts in the back. These little red. It's so crazy, shorty. Let me know if y'all want this joint featured on the channel, folks. Let me know if y'all want us to switch cars, and we go make that happen, bro. We go make that happen, shorty. Mopar is cool and all, bro, but bro, just imagine having a BMW and a Mopar, bro, next to each other. That's crazy. The only thing, though, yeah, like, yeah. God, yeah.
He got what's the name?
Talking about an Audi. Go home, folks. Intakes. Oh God, them bitches look like elephant tusks, boy.
All them got this.
Oh, what's some called? Oh, that's that GTR. Yeah, y'all. Bro, you know he fast. That motherfucker so fast, I don't even want to look at it.
Hey, that's a striker.
You tweet. This joint's so crazy, fool. This ain't the right. Folks talking about some M4. You gotta put that competition at the end, gang.
You got that competition joint?
Know that.
Oh yeah.
Look at the bucket seats in that joint.
You damn near throw this motherfucker in X drive, rear wheel drive, and all wheel drive.
Yeah, but The thing is, I don't think this the X drive joint. Yeah. I don't think it is, but sure, never know. This the carbon. Yeah, and he got the carbon rough.
He got the carbon lip on this motherfucker.
I know. He
Damn, hold on. He got the whole carbon grill, bro.
He gonna have to snatch his pocket off.
Can I do it for 100?
It ain't nothing in that motherfucker but wires, gang.
Nothing in there, bro.
Y'all that be tuned in to the Instagram reel. This that joint that raced that trackhawk that went viral on my Instagram reel. This one of them, gang. Alright, y'all, we got the GT500 versus BMW M8. Let me know who y'all think for the win in the comments.
Sunroof open.
This clean.
Wait, Al. Nah, you straight. You clean.
Ooh. Wow.
Hey, what a drive at though?
I know it's probably 3 or 4 or 5. I don't even know, man. Just send somebody out here, man. Hey, bro, you just seen that?
Hey, kid, who wants to check?
Tail, come on. You got it. Damn, that car's
You all good, folks?